Hello, and welcome everyone to my project presentation called the Distributed Intelligent Agent-Based Intrusion Detection System. Here are the main parts of our presentation. First of all, we are going to begin with an introduction. Then, we're going to talk about the IDS current problems. Then, we're going to talk to expose our proposed approach, then finally close with a conclusion. First of all, what is an IDS? Nowadays, the whole world is witnessing a high improvement of technologies. Every modern industry became highly dependent on network transferring and information systems, treating their data. But every advantage has its price to pay. With these improvements, there are threats, attacks, and breaches that can be extremely harmful. To prevent this, every organization must be protected. Many solutions are being developed throughout the ages for this purpose. Among those solutions, there are the intrusion detection systems. These systems prevent attacks or breaches from entering the network. There are two types of IDSs, the signature-based and behavior-based IDSs. The signatures are models, patterns that are related to the data entering the network. They can they can tell which one is considered to be an attack. The system must have these patterns in a database that can be compared with. The other approach which we are working on is based on the behavior-based IDSs. Every data entering the network is considered as an anomaly if it shows an unknown behavior from the usual. Here we are talking about three principal points: the false positive rate, the detection delay, and the attack detection rate. In addition, not every changes in the network is considered is an anomaly. The system, after monitoring the network, establish which we call profile database, where he compares those profiles with the profiles got from the network to detect the anomaly. These profiles contains the usual activities in the network. So here are some related works. These are recent researches from in the IDS domain. There is Vinaya Kumar and all with the intelligent IDS using deep learning. There's another work with Xiao and al. In 2019 with the intrusion detection model based on feature reduction and convolutional neural network. Then there is Priyanka M. Kolta and al. In 2019 with which he did a performance analysis of a intrusion detection system utilizing the deep learning algorithm. And there are many other researches in this cybersecurity, especially in the IDS system. So here is our idea. The main purpose is to use the deep learning algorithms in an agent-based intrusion detection system, which is composed of 4 agents: the configuration agent, the CNN agent, the RNN agent, then the analyzer agent. The system used two algorithms, the convolutional neural network and the recurrent neural network, and he used also the NSL-KDD database. These agents are dispatched like this. First of all, the configuration agents, after doing the pre-processing, to tell the other agents that the data are ready to enter the networks. With the communication features, you notify the other agents. Then there are the RNN agents and the CNN agents, the convolutional and the recurrent neural network agents. After notifying that the pre-processing is finished, the CNN and the RNN agents begin with their classification process to generate the models with the CNN training and the RNN training models with the results. Then the analyzer agents can compare from these two models which one is better to detect from the network. In the implementation part, we used the Python language for its features in the deep learning development. We also used the Spate library for multi-agent development and the Keras, TensorFlow, and Panda for the deep learning features. The project was turned on the ninth generation Core Intel Legion with an i7-12750 CPU and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. Here are These are the results of our first experiment. The model generated by the convolutional neural network agent had a 0.99 for accuracy with a 0.17 loss and a 0.97 accuracy for RNN agents with a 0.098 loss. Like we showed in the previous one, these are figures showing the accuracy and the loss models for the convolutional neural network, like we showed earlier. And these are the figures showing the accuracy and loss for the RNN agent. Like told in the IDSs using the deep learning, agent-based IDSs using deep learning algorithms have proven to be even useful with having the best performance. And still, we can add for future purpose the mobility function of the analyzer and improve the evaluation of the abrupt changes for better detection rate. Thank you all for your attention. Goodbye.